Okay, so hi, I am recording now after, well, a few months of not being able to figure out what's going on with my camera. Yeah, so playing wildcraft. Right. Yeah. I don't really know, like, what I'm gonna do and stuff. I just wanted to record. So we're recording this random video. I apologize if you hear me cough because I'm not feeling too well. This is my family, Universe, Milky Way, and my name is Galaxy. So we're kind of going for like a space themed names. Okay. Animals, please. Animals over here, but I'm not sure they're big enough to count. Nope, those are squirrels. Damn it. I mean, I wouldn't have to just kill one squirrel, would it? It's kind of a waste of time, honestly. Come back here. No, what's the point? Let's go with that. Fight me. Fight me. Fight me. I need food. Now. Food. Okay. I want like a boar or something. Is that deer? Are those deers? I think they are. Please tell me they are. No, it's a boar. Even better. Fight me. Fight me. Aja. Let's go. Where should we go? Deer, I think, at least. Those are not deer. I'll take you over here. If I that rabbit that we saw earlier, oh, I have enough money for a... Okay. Let's see what we get. Oh, nothing for the wolves. I mean, we did get the elixir, which is pretty nice. Okay. Wait. Maybe if I go back to the main menu, and I go back in, I can get more like big game animals. Big animals. That's actually one of my big brain ideas. Big brain. So maybe this will work. Here's me. Again. Let's go. I do not see any big animals. Hell yeah, I do. There's a big deer over here. Yes. See? That always works. I'm gonna kill you. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Ouchie. Nom 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 nom. I need food. We'll go ahead because there's any foxes. I swear I just saw like some foxes. Like, those can do. It's lightning and ning. Fight me. Fight me. Let's see what the task is. Play for 10 minutes. Done. Hunt 40 enemies. Gain 15 levels. Play for 60 minutes. Nice. Who done ate the last one? Look away. Alright. Let's go. Let's go over here. Squirrels ain't that bad. I mean, at least I got a lot of them. You know what the bad thing is about squirrels? They run away, and they're pretty fast if you wait fast. And I'm eating that. Squirrel. Oh. Okay, well you guys eat that guy. I'm gonna dig. Oh my god. Nah. I'm not. Let's dig. Hiya, hiya. How long do these take to dig? I mean, they do disappear after. I mean, there we go. Oh, I don't even know if there's anyone over here. Let me just see any animals. There's one over there. Wow. I'm gonna make it like seem like I'm digging. There we go. Oh, why did I jump? Move! Okay. Wow, wow, numb. I don't know why I'm numbing the leaves, but okay. There's an animal over here. Okay, doink, 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 meow, 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 meow. What was that again? What's right there? Meow, 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 meow. Come on, squirrels, really? Come on. Something else other than squirrels, please. Foxes. Okay. I mean, that's one thing. Fight me. Fight me. Oh, dude, they're kind of strong. I'm gonna die. Ah! See? Told you I was gonna die. Oh, sorry. Well, I'm running out of time today. So, I hope Milky Way. I tried to do something. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video. Bye.